Hello, everybody. This is a step-by-step guide on how to set up your domain email on Outlook. So first, we will head over to our Start menu and start typing Outlook. In this tutorial, we will use the new Outlook. Outlook opens up. You can just head over to Settings and you will get this screen. If you have not added any accounts to your Outlook, you will be redirected to the screen when we click Add Account. Add the email address that you want to add to your Outlook and click Continue. This will be your info@yourbusinessname.co.za or your name at yourbusinessname.co.za or .com or whatever it may be, but this is where you enter the email address. You will then be asked for a password. You can also click Show More because we are going to add the information here. So paste the password that you will receive and you can go down and let's see. So the first things first, the incoming mail server. It will be mail.yourdomain and then if you have a .co.za or .com, this will be there. The port is correct, it's 993 and we use the recommended settings here. The username for the SMTP configuration is the same as the email address that you entered above. You will enter the same password here and make sure that your outgoing server is smtp.your.domain. The port configuration is also correct. Make sure it's 465 and we will use the recommended settings and click Continue. You can click Continue again and it will sync up. Just give it a moment for the loading. Once it is loaded, you will get a success message that says your emails are now synced. And you can click done or you can add another account in the same way we just did. And voila! You're all set to conquer the email world with your freshly configured Outlook. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions or hiccups, feel free to reach out. Wishing you a seamless emails, endless productivity, and a sprinkle of tech joy in your day. Until next time, stay awesome.